Hello and welcome to the Fire of Awareness. This will be our time together looking at what is awareness. I know sometimes we think how to be aware. And we say to ourselves, be more aware, be more aware, be aware. So in this way, awareness becomes almost like something we have to do, and we're not quite sure how to do it. From what I understand, listening to Osho, awareness is our nature. And it simply depends on where we focus our awareness. So we may focus our awareness completely on the mind, and that becomes a habit. So this time together, we're going to look at understanding the mind a little and why it is that we focus our awareness there. Why our focus of awareness is always going to dreams, old stories that just keep coming round and round in the mind. And once we can understand it a little, then we can take distance from it, and we can allow the natural ability of awareness to be there. Our bodies know how to be aware. It comes naturally. That you have a pain in your leg, for instance. All your awareness goes to that leg, because that leg now needs protection. So the body knows how to move its focus of awareness. And we also know, we just get entangled and we forget how to focus our awareness. We have some meditations that we'd like to share with you. There's a very beautiful meditation that Osho talks about. It's from Gurdjieff, actually, about finding our main characteristic. It's a very important first step for us. We also would like to share with you our favorite meditation, which is Focus on Fire from Osho's Book of Secrets. And this is a meditation where we are actually focusing our awareness on that part of us that doesn't die. This is a wonderful meditation to do, especially before sleep. We have new music, so we will be moving and dancing. There will be time for questions, and Marco and I are very happy to be inviting you to the fire of awareness.